As always, the morning milk is delivered to the door. Recently, though, it's been in bottles with aluminium lids. And that's where the problem begins. One day, a blue tit came along. Under the lid, it found fresh cream. One blue tit seemed to show another, and great tits joined in, until milk bottle openings spread across the whole country like wildfire. Over the years, scientists documented the spread of the new habit of cream stealing. The tits had developed, if you like, a new traditional breakfast. Now there is some doubt whether it actually happened by imitation, but never mind. England's tits brought animal culture into the forefront of research. To be fair, it wasn't only tits. Blackbirds learnt how to do it as well. Individual animals are always having brainwaves and making new discoveries. But as soon as others imitate them, it becomes a cultural achievement. And this is where the problem lies.